Hello student, I am Professor Kakade from ADSUL'S Technical Campus in MBA Department, Charles, Ahmednagar. Okay, so subject name is Service Marketing and Unit 4 Service People and Physical Evidence. So today I will discuss your point guideline for developing physical evidence strategy. Okay. Guideline for developing physical evidence strategy. Strategies. Okay. What is my guideline for developing physical evidence strategy? So, first one, identify the strategy. Identify the strategies. Identify the strategies of physical evidence. What is my identify strategy? The physical evidence. So the evidence strategy must be clarity. Okay? The organization overall goal and mission. Goal and mission. Then the goal of the organization should be clear, understood. The determined kind of the support. Okay, goal means maximum profit in the organization. In organization goal, objective on company, any firm, and mission. Mission means goodwill in the organization. Identify the strategy. Okay, so provided in the understood future. Goal depends on goal and mission. Okay. So second point is decide the kind of physical evidence. Decide the kind of physical evidence. Decide kind of physical evidence required. Decide the kind of physical evidence required. It is necessary to decide the kind of physical evidence required. What is the role of service marketing? Okay? According to its possible design, the service cap, service blueprint, and should be the most important things. Placement, equipment, and furniture. That is supported. Decide the kind of physical evidence. Decide kind of physical evidence. So, establish the organization. Establish the organization depends on money, manpower, material, land. That is decide any established organization company. So related to money, manpower, material, land, water. on the kind of physical evidence. So identify the employee's customer, machine elements of the identify opportunity, decide needs, making decision. So third point is identify the assess physical evidence. Identify the assess physical evidence. Identify the assess physical evidence opportunity. That is, all service firms need the look of possible introduce changes, improvement. Okay, changes, improvement. So related changes, improvement. So, evidence of the employee and the physical evidence. What are the mission and opportunity? What are the defects? Present evidence strategy. In the such as changes including point, market current condition. Market current condition. So, improvement related change in quality, changes in quality, that is improvement, and automatically fix goal in profit management. Okay, that is identify the assess physical evidence opportunity. So next point, update the evidence. Update the evidence means some evidence required changes as per the requirement market. The orientated to the change in the much of the better than the competition. Update the all evidence. So related point, competition, market demand. That is the related point. In the update the all evidence, competition, market demand, and update all information. Update all information. Okay. So update all evidence. So next point. Guideline for the developing physical evidence strategy. So related point is identify the strategy of the physical evidence. Then decide the kind of the physical evidence in requirement. Then identify the assess physical evidence in opportunity and update the all evidence in related to competitor, market demand, update all information. Okay, so next point is element of physical evidence. physical elements of physical elements. Okay. The elements of physical evidence can be refer the physical in-orbit situation, service unit of the other tangible in location and experience. Location and experience. So related point in product life cycle. Product life cycle. Product life cycle means stages on product life cycle. So new product launch in depends on introduction level. For example, introduction level. So slowly. Second point, maturity level. Maturity level. Then growth level. Introduction level, maturity level, growth level, and decline level. Decline level. And finally product A and stop. That is new product launching considered to market. Okay. Product life cycle. Introduction level, maturity level, growth level, decline level, and stop in the product. Okay. So next point, service. Services. What is it by services cap? That is, services cap means the concept of services has been developed by the impact of the physical environment in which of the process and place. Service identify the environment which are the service assets in the which of the customer impact combine the tangible and intangible process from in the communication service. Okay. So service cap related environment, market condition, place, market condition, place, customer demand, producer to customer relation, and communication related to point. Okay. Service cap, it depends on environment market condition, place, customer demand, and producer to consumer relationship, and most important things, communication one person to another person. It's positive. So thank you so much.